Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this device. Now, to get started, all you need to do is pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles, which one of those toggles should be a screen recorder. For me, it is located right over here. So once you see your toggle, all you need to do is just simply tap on it. It will bring up this window right here, letting you choose what kind of sound will be recorded. So you have none, media, or media and mic. And then you also have the toggle for show taps and the touches on the display. So this will record a semi-transparent gray dot wherever you are pressing the display with a pen or your finger. I'm going to enable this just so you can see how that actually looks like on the recording, because it might be a little bit distracting for, as an example, gameplay videos. We can skip the countdown. So you can see this grayish dot right there. Additionally, we have a bunch of options right here, like drawing. We have option to change it, whatever, no one cares. We have the camera, so you can enable the front-facing camera. We can pause the screen recording. So as an example, if you want to maybe log into some kind of application, you could pause it right now, log in, and then resume again without basically losing anything. So it will look seamless. And obviously the square will stop the screen recording. Now, with that being said, screen recording might be limited in certain cases, so I don't have the application to actually show it. But most devices do come with Netflix pre-installed. And Netflix is one of those scammy applications that not only comes pre-installed on a device, but also has the ability to block certain features of your device, like, for instance, screen recorders. So if you ever encounter that your screen recording provided you with just straight up black screen, it might have sound, but it's just black, then just know that whatever application you are trying to record just had the option to, or had more control over your device than you do over your own tablet, as an example. And there's nothing really that you can do about it. Now, with that being said, just to kind of explain this, this kind of like screen recording feature is designed for security purposes, and obviously for instance, bank applications, that would be the case. It would work as such. Might be sometimes annoying, maybe you just want to screen cap something in your bank app, but when it comes down to malicious intent applications that will try to gain access to your bank, obviously that will be preventing them from doing so. Where it's not done for your security is Netflix and any streaming platform, because that's done for the security of these companies' wallets, not your own. Obviously, there's no security kind of breach that you would have if you record Netflix. It's just done to prevent piracy, but it's not like it's stopping it in any case. So it's just an annoyance and an infuriating part that some company can control your device and you have no say in it. Anyway, now we have captured that screen recording a while back. So let's find it, which we do so by going into our gallery application. And in here, you can see it right here at the front as today. But we should be also able to navigate to a library. Let's go to albums, and here you will have screen recordings, and you can view your screen recording in here. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.